Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ClassDojo avatars, how to customize yours like a pro. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open the ClassDojo app, and then once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the settings icon. Now once you are inside here, what you need to do is start customizing your avatar. You can pick your character style and then change the face as well. You can style the hair, add accessories like hats, glasses, jewelries and more. You can give your avatar a stylish outfit that shows off your unique personality, whether it's a casual look, sports gear or something formal. There are tons of choices to explore. Some customizing options let you choose a background for your avatar's environment. You can give it a cool scene like an outdoor backdrop or something more abstract to make it stand out. Next is to make it unique. Go wild with the details. Don't be afraid to mix and match different options. ClassDojo lets you get creative with your avatar. Personalize your favorite things. If there are colors, styles or items you love, try to incorporate them in your avatar. And lastly, once you are happy with your avatar, don't forget to hit the save button so that your creation stays locked in. You'll now have one of a kind avatar that you can proudly show off. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.